Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Audi A3 sat-nav. First, locate the MMI control panel, typically found near the gear selector. This central hub is your primary interface for controlling various vehicle functions. Use the large rotary dial to scroll through options and press it to confirm your selections. To begin, simply press the dedicated NAV button to enter the navigation system menu. Once in the navigation menu, select New Destination to input where you want to go. You can use the MMI rotary dial to spell out an address letter by letter or choose from recent destinations or points of interest. The system offers predictive text to speed up your entry. After confirming your destination, the system will calculate the optimal route, typically within a few seconds, and display it on the screen. Your Audi A3 sat-nav provides clear turn-by-turn directions, displayed prominently on the MMI screen. You'll also receive helpful voice guidance, ensuring you stay on track without constantly looking at the display. The system often integrates real-time traffic information, allowing it to suggest alternative routes to avoid congestion. This feature can save you valuable time on your journeys, especially during peak hours. Personalize your navigation experience by adjusting various settings. You can switch between two-dimensional and three-dimensional map views to suit your preference. Easily modify the voice guidance volume or even change the voice itself. Saving your frequently visited destinations, like home or work, allows for quick selection with just a few clicks, making your daily commute much more convenient and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.